Good morning, everyone. This is Med City CPA. I'm just reading through the IRS instructions for the Form 1040, and I was reading about an amended return. So every once in a while I get a question about, oops, I made a mistake on my return. What do I need to do about it? Well, you may want to amend your return and reading through instructions that what they're talking about, amended return, file Form 1040X to change a return that you already filed. Generally, a Form 1040X must be filed within 3 years after the date the original return was filed, or within 2 years after the date the tax was paid, whichever is later. But you may have more time to file the 1040X if you live in a federally declared disaster area or you are physically or mentally unable to manage your financial affairs. See publication 556 for details. So it can take up to 3 weeks from the date you mailed it to show up in the IRS system. So everyone makes mistakes. That's what the Form 1040X is for, to amend your return. I'd read through the instructions if you need to amend your return, but yeah, that's what we're talking about. So must be filed within 3 years after the date the original return was filed, or within 2 years after the date the tax was paid, whichever is later. So they'll give you a little bit of window, but if you have something that's pretty far out, I'm not sure, you might want to talk to a tax professional. But I'm just reading through the instructions here. Thought that'd be helpful to point out. Alrighty, have a good day.